Hi, my name is Daniel Hunter. My wife and I are empty nesters with two puppies named Mojo and Lucy. I have a daughter, a son, and two stepsons, all in their 20s. I also have two granddaughters by way of my daughter and her husband. I was a natural birth at home in Nephi, Utah, USA, so I'm a Nephite by birth. We moved from Utah to Fairfax, Virginia, USA, in the Washington, D.C. metro area when I was 7 years old. I lived there until I was 18 years old, so that's really where I'm from. My first attempt at higher education was working toward a major in human performance in sport at Metropolitan State University of Denver, otherwise known as MSU Denver. I had completed 2 years' worth of courses when I decided to put my education on hold. My declared major at BYU Idaho is applied health. I coached lacrosse at the collegiate club level for 6 years in the Men's Collegiate Lacrosse Association. In 2017, I coached MSU Denver to their first conference championship and trip to nationals. That was pretty fun. My favorite scripture or quote is, "Never let a problem to be solved become more important than a person to be loved." This is most often attributed to President Thomas S. Monson, although an internet search indicates that the first person to state these words was Barbara Johnson. Either way, one of my biggest problems is that I let a problem to be solved become more important than a person to be loved, and sometimes even view others as a problem to be solved rather than a person to be loved. I have no public health experience other than my educational experience working towards a bachelor's degree in applied health. I'm not sure this is the field for me. If I explore a career in public health, it will probably be in worksite wellness or working as a health coach. I prefer to work remotely or would like to have a private practice online. What I hope to gain from this class are practical, hands-on experience of health promotion skills that a health promotion educator will use as promised in the syllabus. That's all, and thanks for watching.